Hello, everyone. Welcome back to English Practice Daily. My name is Tom, and I'm here to help you speak English with confidence. I hope you are all doing well and having a wonderful day. In today's video, we will learn easy and useful English sentences for shopping. Our topic is buying boots at a store. Long conversation for English practice. You will learn 1. Greetings. 2. Asking for help. 3. Talking about size. 4. Asking about colors. 5. Asking about materials. 6. Asking about price and discounts. 7. Final purchase. And 8. Many useful daily phrases. Let's start our topic.
Hello, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Brown's Shoe Store. How can I help you today?
I'm looking for a good pair of boots.
Perfect. Are you looking for winter boots, hiking boots, or casual boots?
I need winter boots, something warm and comfortable. It's getting really cold outside.
Yes, winter weather here is very cold. Let me show you some options. What size do you usually wear?
I usually wear size 42, but sometimes 43. It depends on the brand.
That's completely normal. Some brands run small, some run big. Would you like to try both sizes?
Yes, that would be great.
Do you prefer a wide fit or regular fit?
I think regular fit is okay, but sometimes my feet feel tight.
No problem. I'll bring you both. Here is the first pair. These boots are waterproof.
Nice. I like the design. Can I try them?
Of course.
I am trying. Boots. They feel a little heavy. Do you have something lighter?
Yes, I do. These boots are for very cold weather, so they are thicker. Let me bring a lighter pair.
Sure, thank you.
Here is another pair. These are lightweight and comfortable.
And also, I am trying this boots. Oh, these feel much better. Very comfortable.
Yes, they have memory foam inside.
Nice. Do you have them in black?
Yes, black and dark brown.
I prefer black. It matches more clothes.
Good choice.
Are these boots waterproof?
Yes, they are water-resistant and snow-resistant.
Are they warm enough for snow?
Absolutely. They have a warm inner lining.
Can I walk long distances with them?
Yes, they are perfect for long walks.
Are they good for hiking?
Light hiking, yes. Heavy mountain hiking, no.
How long do they last?
Usually 2 to 3 winters.
Do they slip on ice?
No, they have anti-slip rubber soles.
Do they stretch after wearing?
A little bit, but not too much.
Can I wash them?
You can clean the outside, but don't put them in the washing machine.
Do you have other styles?
Yes, we have short boots, tall boots, and medium boots.
I like medium boots. Not too short, not too tall.
Great. The pair you're trying now is medium.
Okay, perfect. How much are these boots?
They are $55.
Do you have any discount today?
Yes, we have a 10% discount.
Nice. Do you think this is the best price?
Yes, this is the final price.
Okay, it's reasonable. How long is the warranty?
6 months.
And your return policy?
You can return or exchange within 14 days.
Perfect. I like these boots. I'll take them.
Great choice.
Can I pay with cash?
Yes, of course.
Here is the money.
Thank you. Here is your change and your receipt.
Thanks a lot.
You're welcome. Enjoy your new boots.
Have a nice day.
You too. Take care. Here are some useful sentences for reviewing and practicing of yours. 1. I'm looking for a pair of boots. 2. Can I try these on? 3. Do you have this in black? 4. What sizes do you have? 5. Do you have a discount today? 6. How much does it cost? 7. Are they waterproof? 8. I'll take them. 9. Can I pay with cash? 10. Thank you. Have a nice day. Thank you so much for watching today's long English practice video. I hope this conversation helped you learn many useful English sentences for shopping. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to English Practice Daily for more wonderful lessons. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.